Welcome! Let's begin our extreme survival class in virtual reality. Today, we'll study tsunamis. When you hear a tsunami warning, drop everything and climb as high as possible, ideally 100 to 130 feet above the sea. Radio check. These earphones will help us communicate no matter what. Keep in mind, this is just a simulation, so no one gets hurt. A tsunami often comes in several ways.
So, if possible, get an efficient supply of water, food, medicine, and courage, of course. Try to stay away from broken glass and electrical wiring. Tsunami waves can be from 30 to 170 feet high. And the record wave as of today is over 1,715 feet high. It was recorded in 1958 in Alaska. A tsunami caused by a snowslide took place in Lituya Bay. Move along this corridor to the stairs. You'll find a rescue exit on the second floor. You need to get to the library, buddy. Well, the good news is, you don't have to worry about the unreturned books anymore. Now get out through the window. It's over here. Use the fire escape to get to the roof. Be careful, glass can be broken. Hurry up, help is coming, as well as the second wave. Looks like we gotta cancel all other classes for today. There it is. Your lesson is complete. Great job.
Welcome to the virtual helicopter tour. We'll see the most picturesque sights of the city, although this place isn't real, and neither are its citizens.
Oh wow! What a view! Whoa, looks like a tsunami is coming!
Oh my cat, you're right. We should get out of here as fast as we can.
Please, tell me that this copter can handle a tsunami?
Don't worry, it's recommended to hide from tsunami waves at a height of at least 130 feet above sea level, and the record height that copters can reach is about 7 miles. Well, at least this city is just a simulation, and no one got hurt.
Hey, where did that fog come from?
It was formed when the wave hit the shore. By the way, the second wave may come soon, and the third one.
Then we should leave. But wait, can't we save those guys on the roof?
Of course. Hey guys, over here! Hurry up!
Today, we'll explore the sizes of tsunamis, from the smallest to the most giant, and talk about the damage they can cause. This wave is 3 feet long. It's not considered dangerous, and it's too weak to destroy a city. The next wave is still ranked as moderate. You may notice that the wind is blowing the trees and the flags. And this is a big storm. The maximum wave height is around 40 feet. The wind speed may reach up to 28 miles per second. Such a storm can rip off roofs and damage small coastal buildings significantly. And this wave is 86 feet high. A surfer from Germany managed to ride it in 2020 and set a new world record. This is a reconstruction of the powerful tsunami that occurred in 2011 in the Japanese region of Tohoku. The waves were up to 131 feet high. Such waves are capable of wiping entire villages off the face of the earth. In 1946, wave heights during the April Fool's Day tsunami reached 164 feet. Such a tsunami can bring serious damage to high-rise buildings. In 1792, during the Unzen mega tsunami, the waves reached 427 feet. In 1980, St. Helens mega tsunami brought waves as high as 656 feet. And this wave is almost twice as high as the Eiffel Tower. It's 1,700 feet tall. It was registered in 1946 during the Lituya Bay mega tsunami. Phew, thank goodness it's just a simulation, and no one got hurt.
Come on, let's go upstairs. Otherwise, we're gonna be washed away. Okay now, what's next?
In the heart of downtown, at the top of a 58-story high-rise, is a penthouse suite run by a millionaire Mr. Cook. Few people know that he originally made his fortune in lots of nasty deals. Here we go. That's it. Ha! Almost here. Ha! The walls and floors are all concrete, 3 feet thick. Every door is made of 6-inch nickel chromium steel. That's like 12 armor plates. The biometric sensors and RedNet access points are impossible to hack. It's a fortress in the sky, and I have to make it look like an accident. There you are. Nice to meet you, and goodbye, Mr. Cook. Millionaire Mr. Cook fell from a 56th floor this morning when the swimming pool of his penthouse collapsed. Goodbye, Mr. Cook. Few weeks of planning and preparing. I hope you liked my plan, Mr. Cook. Police will speak of this as a tragic accident. Ah, just as it was. Wow, are you kidding me? Don't behave like this.
It's about to fall down! Everything's falling apart! Let's get out of here! Hope this way works! Wait a minute. I don't like it. It's too dangerous! Wow! Let's go this way! Well, looks like it's my only way out. Okay, what is this place? A gathering place for a secret society? It should have some exit. It seems like the worst is over. Ah! Whoa! Oh, that was tough.